your first step is to begin with in conclusion, or it is clear that. Then, like Mike said, you're going to restate your thesis statement, that last sentence of your introduction. After we restate our thesis statement, what are we going to do next? So step 2 is going to be so that we restate the literary elements that we wrote about in each of our body paragraphs. All right, our final step. What do we want to do in our final line of our essay? It's kind of similar to what we want to do in our first line of our essay. What do we want to do in that final line of our literary analysis essay? Ben. Not restate the literary analysis. Think about it, guys. What do we always want to do in the first line whenever we're writing? Think about that HIT strategy. What does the H stand for? Zach. Hook. And in our final line, we want to rehook our reader. We want to get them thinking more about our topic. So maybe you're using a full circle ending. Maybe you're trying another strategy. But in that final line, you want to rehook your reader. So that's a quick review of what to include in your conclusion paragraph. And now we can get started with